Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how to turn on in-ear recording on your Xiaomi Buds 5 Pro. So first, let's open the Xiaomi Earbuds app. Now here they need to connect, so let me just move them. And here what we need to do is go to recordings. Now here we will have the earphones and a phone. Of course we're gonna choose the earphones. And now there's no actual way to turn these on always when you go over and take the headphones and put it in your ear. There's no way of doing that. So now here you just need to click here to record the ambient audio and it's gonna record by itself. Now here, as you guys can see, let me stop the recording. Here we will be able to also save all recordings to our phone. So that'd be it. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then leave a like, sub and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.